What if we could speak the language of life itself? A language capable of rewriting the instructions of our very being, to cure degenerative diseases, to awaken our highest cognitive potential, and to restore balance to our planet's fragile ecosystems. Today, humanity confronts its most significant challenges. Neurodegenerative diseases ravage millions. Natural habitats collapse. Once nurtured by nature, intelligence, beauty, and well-being are now undermined by chaos. From this urgency emerged Genesis Codex, the first genetic programming language forged by merging AI, molecular biology, and computational logic. Designed not merely to code machines, but to code life itself. At its core, Genesis Codex translates digital instructions into biochemical commands, a universal syntax to write and edit RNA, DNA, and proteins with mathematical accuracy, biological precision, and ethical integrity. Its architecture is built upon deep neural networks, reinforced by evolutionary algorithms and powered by global repositories NCBI, Ensemble, and Human Genome Project. Its infrastructure runs in the world's most advanced data centers, processing genetic patterns at a scale never before imagined. Genesis Codex is more than a tool. It is a bridge to a healthier, smarter, more beautiful humanity. It enhances memory, immunity, and resilience. It offers hope to the incurable. And it brings Earth back to life. Through ecogenetic symbiosis, we restore Gaia, rebalancing the cycles of oxygen, carbon, and water, reintroducing extinct flora, protecting endangered fauna, rebuilding what we have lost. As we reach beyond Earth, Genesis Codex becomes our compass, adapting us to new worlds while reminding us of the gift we were given. Life, designed by intelligence, refined by purpose, and elevated by language. Genesis Codex, the first language designed to evolve humanity. We research and develop solutions so you can live without the risk of degenerative diseases and cherish the life our Creator has given us. Created and envisioned by Maeda Muneo, Masters in Computer Science, Professor and Researcher. Doctoral Thesis, Phase 29, The Genetic Language of the Future.